It is almost springtime, so we're getting ready to put those seeds in and mark them. And the best way I found to mark them is to get an old container like this, which is food grade. Get a piece of sandpaper, rub the inside where you think you can be writing about what you're planting, and then cut them into strips and put a little tip on it. I do find that when you have that, it goes into the soil easier. Get any old pencil and you can write right on it. It just writes easily. Plant. And this is from last year, not that one, this one's from last year. And this is almost a year later now. And look, nothing, doesn't even rub off. Figuring this out was an experimental boo-boo. And I like experimental boo-boos. So there you go. Easy container, easy markers, and lots of spring ahead of us. So go ahead and plant and have a great day. Happy gardening.